In November 2021, Illinois couple's first date ended in horror after both were shot. Only one survived. In small-town Illinois, two people stepped out for what seemed like the perfect first date. It was a cool, crisp evening, the kind where you feel that anything is possible. But for this couple, that night would end in tragedy. Only one would make it through, and their life would never be the same. Meet Jessica Thompson and Ryan Williams. Use different names if necessary, two ordinary people living quiet lives. Jessica, a 28-year-old kindergarten teacher, was known for her love of books and her gentle smile. Ryan, a 30-year-old mechanic, was the kind of guy everyone could rely on. He was honest, hardworking, and a little shy. They connected on a dating app, both hoping to find something real in a world of short flings. After weeks of chatting, they finally decided to meet in person. The two agreed on a casual dinner, a night with no expectations, just to see if their online chemistry would translate in person. The date seemed perfect. Laughter filled the air, and they shared stories over dinner, bonding over their shared love of movies and a passion for hiking. Their night together was going so well that they decided to take a walk under the stars after their meal. They strolled along a quiet path, the streetlights casting long shadows. It was a peaceful night, but something in the air felt strange, like a hidden danger lurking just out of sight. Jessica glanced around, feeling the hairs on her arms stand up. Suddenly, Jessica sensed they weren't alone. A shadow moved in the corner of her eye. She felt a strange, intense fear. But before she could say anything, it happened. A gunshot shattered the silence. In an instant, Jessica was on the ground, pain surging through her. Everything happened so quickly that she didn't even realize she'd been shot. In the confusion, she looked for Ryan, only to see him lying just a few feet away, unmoving. Minutes later, the sound of sirens filled the air as emergency services arrived. Jessica was rushed to the hospital, barely clinging to life. Ryan, he was gone. Jessica survived, but her life was changed forever. As she fought through her physical and emotional recovery, the police launched an intense investigation. Detectives combed the scene, questioning witnesses and piecing together any leads. They soon realized that this wasn't a robbery gone wrong. It was something far more sinister. As investigators dug deeper, they discovered unsettling clues. A mysterious figure had been seen near the area days before the shooting. And even stranger, someone in Ryan's past harbored a grudge, someone who may have wanted him dead. With Jessica as their only witness, detectives followed every lead. Was it a random act of violence? Or was someone targeting Ryan specifically? Theories flew around. Some thought it was a jealous ex. Others suspected a deal gone wrong, but no one really knew the truth. Today, Jessica still carries the scars, both visible and invisible, of that night. The police are still searching for answers, but some questions may never be resolved. What really happened on that quiet Illinois night? Was it fate or something more sinister? One thing is certain. For Jessica, life will never be the same. Sometimes, the closest people to us can be the greatest mysteries. And in Jessica's story, the truth remains hauntingly out of reach. Stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more real-life true crime stories. Let's dive into the heart of this tragic case together. Thanks for watching.